Domino CX150i. Unlock the power of high-resolution, non-porous printing. Building on the success of Domino's well-established CX350i, the CX150i uses UV-curable ink to print directly onto your non-porous packaging. It creates razor-sharp codes that complement your brand. It can print text, graphics, barcodes, and even QR codes powered by GS1. UV curing is easily achieved with a lower power LED UV lamp. The Domino UV150 provides a self-contained, simple, and safe UV LED curing solution for box coding applications, without the need for additional guarding. Waste material is minimized by Domino's innovative, large-volume, flexible ink pouch. Print layouts can be created and edited with Domino's intuitive quick-step user interface. The CX150i features a broad range of connectivity options, including Ethernet IP, and can be integrated into factory ERP systems. Additionally, Domino's cloud-based services gives you 24/7 visibility of the printer's performance. The CX150i delivers large-area, high-resolution, durable codes that complement your brand. Why not contact Domino to discuss how the CX150i printer can help you?